What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. What's up guys, so we're just taking a look at ETH here, and as you can see, it looks as though it is getting a decent bounce off the downside that we have been looking at over the past few days. I mean, you can see pretty much quite clearly here, we had this big range, didn't we? Where essentially we come up, as you can see here, we've got our first range, obviously we had in May, we come down, we formed the bottom and the top. We basically had that big ascending triangle, didn't we? Everyone thought we were going to have continuation, but we rolled over inside of this big descending wedge. We've got a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we make our W double bottom. Taylor's oldest time by now, breaking out of resistance, bouncing off the bottom of our macro channel we've been trading upwards inside of. Looking really good for continuation. And you can see here, we've got the bounce to the upside, we come all the way up, we break out of our channel. We come up and we form a secondary little bit of a channel looking something like this. Basically something like this, wasn't it? And you can see what happened. Let me just make this a bit more. I mean, I guess it does kind of have confluence to this fact as well, looking something like this. We obviously we break out of our this channel here. We come up, we come back down, we retest the bottom of the channel. Bullishly, and also retest the 20 moving average here. We come up to the top of the channel again, we get rejected, but we come back down and we bounce off the 20 again. Basically you can see what's happening. The 20 is forming us to form this kind of ascending triangle. We have this big move to the upside when we break out of this level here. We come up from around that $3,400 level all the way up to around $4,000, where we tried to consolidate, and we were looking, you know, fairly bullish for continuation, but then obviously we had the big correction in the market for Bitcoin, which dragged everything down. And you can see ETH, it come all the way down to try and find support. It actually wicked really bullishly back onto this level of this previous level of resistance, flipped into support here really bullishly, but obviously we rolled over back inside the channel, back inside the range, sorry, this little range we formed here. You can see we rolled back inside, obviously got the 55 which we wicked back down onto as well, and then we just rolled down pretty much looking for some support. Found it in and around that $3,150 area, which was actually an area that we were previously stuck under for a good while here, in and around this area here. And you can see we're actually getting a decent bounce today, looking really bullish, coming back up to test that 20 moving average. So do some short-term price predictions. Basically what we're looking at here is we want to be if we roll over here, we've obviously got the 55 as strong support back inside our range at around that $3,150 area. You would expect this to hold, but if we do have a big rollover in the market and continuation, we've got a very strong level of support at around the 3k area, that 2,900 area as well. We're obviously targeting the 20 moving average here at around $3,450, which is more or less hit now. And our next target would be to clear that pretty comprehensively and start making our way back up to some of these price targets, maybe at around $3,700 if we can, you know, reclaim this level, back test it, and then move to the upside. And then, as we keep saying, by the end of the bull run, probably in the next 3 or 4 months, we're most likely going to be looking at, if Ethereum comes back up, you know, to the top of our channel here, probably 10, 15, maybe even 20k, considering how things are going. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.